Hello guys, welcome to my Andwin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to increase or decrease the number of emails displayed per page in your Gmail. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to increase or decrease or customize the number of emails displayed per page in your Gmail, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you just need to log into your Gmail account. After that, you can see here this gear icon which is called setting. Just click on this. Under quick setting, you will find see all settings. Click on this. Here you can see maximum page size. By default it is selected as 50. Just click on this drop down menu. If you want more emails, you can select 100. If you want to see less emails, you can select 10. After changing this, scroll down, then click on save changes. As you can see, we have decreased the email per page. We have reduced from 50 to 10. That's it guys. So in this way you can increase or decrease the number of emails displayed per page in your Gmail. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.